Some homes impress. This home will leave you speechless. As soon as you enter this Trentwood's home, you're greeted by a spiral staircase, 20-foot ceilings with beautiful detailed moldings, and marble floors. The recently updated kitchen features matching stainless steel KitchenAid appliances with a natural gas range. And I don't know about you, but this kitchen island is what my dreams are made of. Now, this owner's suite is what luxury is made of, with views overlooking the outdoor oasis, which we'll show you next. Relax by your private in-ground pool, your hot tub, or your covered fireplace gazebo. Luxury homes like this in Trent Woods don't wait. I'm Meredith Wilson. Call us with Donna and Team New Bern today.